Hello, and welcome to the insides of the Commodore 64. Of the two machines that I just found in the garage, this is the one that had the nicer looking case and the greener circuit board. And even though, as I said, these are both the same board, they are different. I mean, not just in the green, even though it says they are the same, they are different. For example, right here, here's this MDK 21HB and this MDK thing, that is different. Also, right there, we see that little yellow component. If we look over at the other board, in the same spot, that thing is not there. Also, you see this has the 23013 as well as the other whatever stuff there. Also, if we look at these two components, we see that there are two of them. Also, we have this resistor that runs diagonally across there. But if we whip back over here, we will see that in that same position of CR1, and then there's R5, that's the same, but that diagonal resistor is not there. So, I'm not worried. I mean, I know they made adjustments, improvements, etc. along the way, as required. Oh, there we are. There is revision A. Oh, wait a second. Oh yeah, no, that's the copyright. So let us go over to the other board, where we will look closer at the chips. We will get over to the information about the board. And this, of course, one we can look inside the video circuits because it is open, and we can look all around. And I'm sure other people who are more in the know than I, and perhaps wiser than I, will be able to pick out other differences, other discrepancy. I am sure. See, the user port and the cassette port do look to be in mighty fine shape. I'll have to look for one that I know has been used a lot because you can see the wear marks. And so, as we see, supposedly the same. But definitely very similar, but different. So soon I will go back to the garage and see what else that I can find. I thought I had found everything, although I do know that there is a super pet in there that I can see, but I can't get to yet. But that, as they say, is another story. This kind of reminds me of the Star Wars filming. The first movie, which was, of course, the 4th, where they're zooming over the Death Star. Anyway, enough of this for now. If anybody can point out any other major differences or minor differences or anything at all, I would be happy. Oh, is that a wire? That's a wire. Look at that. There's a wire there. But if we go over, I don't see a wire there. See, you never know. Anyway, thanks for being here. We'll be in touch. Bye for now.